Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add products inside Divi tabs. So here you can see this is my demo website and this is tab section. Now here I want to add some products. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, we can log in into our website. Now let's go to dashboard. And after that, here I have added some products. Make sure that you have installed WooCommerce plugin. Okay, these are some products that I have uploaded. So let's go back to the Divi library. Then here we can add a new layout. Just click here, add new, and after that here we can give a name, for example products, and then click here submit. So make sure that you have updated your Divi WordPress theme to the latest version so that you will not get error in loading Divi Builder. And after that, now let's click on the build on the front end. Click here. And now here you can see Divi Builder is loading on the front side. So let's wait, and after that click here plus, then here you can search for products. Now scroll down, these are various WooCommerce modules. Just select this module Woo products, click here, and after that here you can select the number of products that you want to display. For example, I want to display only 4 products, and here you can select the column layout. So by default this is 4 column layout. Now scroll down, and here you can see these are various customization options that you can select and remove anything if you want. After that, let's click on 3 dots, then save it. Now let's go back to the website dashboard and make sure that you have installed a plugin that is called Shortcodes for Divi. Let's go in the plugin sections and add a new plugin. You can search for Shortcodes for Divi so that you will get a shortcode for your template. Here you can see this is the shortcode that we need to copy. And after that, let's go on the front side and enable Visual Builder. So now Divi Builder is loading. And now let's scroll down, and we need to go in the tab section. Scroll down, and here you can see this is the tab section. Click here, and after that, now let's edit one of the tab. Then here we can remove this content and add shortcode. Then click on the 3 dots and save it. Now let's exit Visual Builder. So let's see final result how it looks. Just click on the tab title 3. So these are some products inside our tab. So just you can change the title, for example products. So thank you for watching. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.